Fellas, 1 minute. Here we go. Welcome back to another stream, everybody. Welcome back to another stream. We're back. We are back. Welcome. We got two limitless pills today. Got our black coffee, as you can see. I also am still eating breakfast, so bear with me. The Lucis Flex was only $65 with code Ben, bro. That's crazy. Yes, sir. All right. Why is the contract rollover not? The heck? What's the symbol? Which one is it? Is it HMU? It's March, right? No, it's M. MNQM. There we go. What? There we go, chat. Let's lock out an oil here. MNQM. Beautiful. Guys, we got a winning trade in Asia session while I fell asleep on stream. We had a winning trade on PM session. We had a winning trade on AM session. We are now basically technically, what, 7 days? 7-day winning streak? If you want to count yesterday Asian session as a new day. Look at this rip. We're up 0.5%. We're ripping. That is more than 0.5. What is this talking about? The NQ is up 1.2% already. 1.3%. Completely ripping, guys. A little bit lower probability. It's sad, I know. I know, it's a sad day for us. Because the market has ripped pre-market. And usually that does not bring the best probability trades. But we're still going to find an opportunity to catch a trade. I'm stoked I got another max payout approved. Let's go, brother. Bro's about to have the shits again? No. I'm chilling. Am I going to anticipate a reversal? No. And I'm going to tell you why. I lied. I lied. I am gonna anticipate reversal. Soup this high, push down lower. Fuck it, we ball. Let's see. Obviously, we got to wait for extra confirmation, but we can get a reversal here. Okay. I'm pumping my bloodstream with energy right now, guys. There we go. MQ oil. Morning, everybody. Yeah, I stream during Asia on TikTok sometimes. Didn't let P&L get to my head. When you start to get a certain amount of payouts, you start to detach from actually making money. That's why it's a lot easier to become profitable and consistent when you make a lot of money, because you kind of detach from the feeling of money. That way you don't chase. All right, this is 9:30 and we're pushing lower. So it could most likely be a retracement into this inefficiency, then turn up higher. So just stay away from it for now. We need it in this situation. We need an intermediate time frame break of structure. Intermediate time frame is the 5 minute to the 1 hour, and the most recent swing low that we have is all the way down here, so we cannot look for any short entries until we break that, or form a low, trade up higher, then break down below the low again. Until now, we just sit on our hands, guys. Until now, we just sit on our hands, and we're gonna find something beautiful. Beautiful. Patience, guys. We're gonna find a beautiful trade today. I believe it in my bones. In my bones. Who remembers this song? I got bills. I gotta pay. So I'm gonna work every day. Bro. That song is ultimate nostalgia. Hold on, chat. I'm just trying to find my thing real quick. Hold on, chat. Nothing interesting just yet. We got to be patient. Whoops. Fuck. Hello. We're pushing up higher, but I'm not anticipating that we're going to continue that. We want to anticipate we're in a reversal because we're in that daily fair value gap, but probably not. Crazy rip from that 15-minute fair value gap there, guys. Just got to be patient, though. How much percentage are we up right now? A lot. We're on a 7-day winning streak if you want to count Asian session as a new day. If not, then we can just say we're still on a 6-day winning streak. We'll just say 6-day winning streak for now. I got to load up Trade of 8. 1 second. You guys got to remind me. Why'd you stop reminding me to load up Trade of 8 every stream? It could very much be a profile where we just rip up higher with no remorse, guys. And if that's the case, then it's one of those days. The days that we don't like. But we just got to be patient with the anticipation that it's going to turn out to be the way we like it, and we're going to capitalize off of it. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. And there's nothing we want to fight for it. We're doing pretty well on these accounts though. Beautifully. Why is my MNQ higher? No, it's not. This is the regular MNQ one, and you just click BADJ for contract changes. My NQ's fine. Wow, I got a lot of energy, chat. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I'm having actual like carbohydrates for breakfast. Usually my breakfast consists of 2 eggs or 2 egg white bites from Starbucks and a black coffee. This time I had a Cobb's bread bun with Parmesan, like organic Parmesan cheese and some salami. Protein with the cheese, carbohydrates, probably like 400 calories, 450 calories smacked in on one. And the reason why I did that is because I'm gonna be very busy today and I won't have time to eat, so I gotta eat more now. But that coupled the black coffee, bro, I got the energy. I got the energy. So right now I would be doing some crazy analysis, pointing things out, guys, but sometimes you're gonna notice things about my streams. Sometimes you're gonna notice me going like, okay, so this is that. The reason why we do that is because we do this, that, and I'll go all over the place explaining everything. Sometimes you'll just see me going, all right, how's your day? Blah, blah, blah. And the reason why I do that is because we're in a profile where we don't want to do anything. We don't need to figure anything out. We don't even need to be on the lower time frame. What I'm doing here is we sit and we wait until something happens on the intermediate time frame to trigger our eyes to then go down to the lower time frame to find an entry. You shouldn't be on the lower time frame at all if you're not in the scenario to find a lower time frame entry, because then you'll be what's the word, vulnerable to be catching false setups. Yeah, my first payout today. Let's go, brother. My first payout was such a good feeling, guys. I'm gonna find it for you. Here it is. Where is it? Hold on, chat. Here it is. 18 years old. I got my first payout at 18 years old. Let's go. Chat. At 18 years old, I officially got my very first payout. At 18 years old, I officially got my very first payout on Top Step of $3,000 USD in just 5 days. This is the trade that I took for my last winning day. I needed 5 RR win on NASDAQ. Here's the profits. Here's the proof of the live account. It's only up from here. It's only up from here. That's it. At 18 years old, I officially got. Bro, look how looks maxed I was. Bro, I was looks maxing. I was buff though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I had it, dude. Let me try to find a photo with my shirt on. Hold on. Yeah, bro, I had it, bro. I was looks maxed. And then money hit. And then unlimited Kobe Wagyu steaks hit. And then unlimited Wagyu steaks and black truffle gnocchi and lobster tails and... How tall am I? I'm 6'2". Guys, I'm not kidding. When you get rich, it's pretty hard to at first maintain your weight. Like now I'm losing a little bit, but it's pretty hard to do that, dude. The temptation, man. Like It's easier when you're debating like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go get McDonald's or Popeyes. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go to Ruth's Chris and I'm gonna get a porterhouse, or I'm gonna go get an A5 Wagyu strip loin and garlic mash and a lobster tail, and turning that down because you're like, technically it's not unhealthy, it's healthy. It's just insanely high calories. Show the hairline? No. Talking about, I'm not showing no hairline. Guys, we got to be patient. We're going to find a beautiful short if we push down. By the looks of it, it looks like it's just completely ripping up higher. But there's no reason to chase in the longs up all the way up here. And there's no reason to take shorts all the way up here. So right now, we're just sitting on our hands. Don't look for SMT right now either, guys. Just relax. Just cool your beans, guys. Guys, when I tweeted about Apex Shared Funding, Michael Patak, the founder of Top Step, commented, "Don't forget to drop that code." And then I said, "Don't forget to increase your prices, then promote a discount code back to the original prices." And then everyone in the comments are responding to it are like, "Damn, such a bro. That firm is so bad now, bro. I don't know what they did. They used to be the best firm ever, and then Top Step just destroyed their whole reputation." Terrible firm. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. If we don't have anything, we don't have anything. We don't force anything. No way, Jose. We are going crazy though, chat. Type 1 if you've been through the entire winning streak and losing streak. Type 1 if you've been still watching the streams throughout the winning and losing streak. I want to see all these people. There we go. Last night was peak. Yeah, dude, we made some money while I felt like, guys, I fell asleep on stream. Look, chat. There's no audio. Where's the video? There's no audio because it's on my other computer, but when it hit order filled, I got scared and I woke up. Bro, that's how confident. Bro, I wasn't even that confident. It was just because I was so tired. So tired. I was so tired, I was dizzy. Guys, we got to be patient. We're going to find something. Just give it some time to move. There's our oil trading. Let me show you guys. Caught some nice longs and some nice shorts as well on oil. Let me turn off the execute. Can I turn it off on this side and then keep it on my left? So I can see. Does it stay on here? Oh, it does. Nice. Okay. Yeah, oil looks bearish, dude. It's trading into this inefficiency. Oil just looks like it wants to continue to rip lower, which means the indices are gonna fall to the, rip to the sky. Oil looks like it wants to take out all these lows and trade down to that 80, 88, 87 level. And while that happens, it looks like NQ wants to completely rip up higher. But we have midnight open and then just, or no, that's not midnight open. Midnight open, nothing. And true day open, right? Consolidation, manipulation, distribution, maybe? I'm kidding. If I'm looking for shorts, I wouldn't look for low of the day. I would probably look for a retracement, maybe to these relative equal lows or something. But right now, you don't really want to engage in anything. You capped about the free account? What do you mean about the free account? What free account? A free account every time I have a losing day? Brother, I haven't lost a day in 6 days. That's what happens, bro. Ben, I left your stream in the losing streak, but then I joined back 3 days ago. 3 days ago and made so much money. Now I have the capital to turn myself. Okay, bro. I'm actually gonna ban this guy. I'm actually gonna ban this guy. You guys don't understand. This guy is going to get banned. The free account on prop firm gain? What do you mean? Oh, on the Instagram? Don't worry. I'm waiting to get 150 followers and I'm gonna do it. I feel like 100 followers is too easy. Don't worry. Be happy. Your boy doesn't forget anything. Any advice for someone who disciplined themselves either trading like rule wise but does not know if their model works? Also, how would you prefer properly test a strat? You should not be trading if you don't know if your model works, and you should be very confident in your model. And when you are very confident in model, that's when you go into the markets with data. Just journal and log everything. Like when you log all parts of your model. For example, if you have fair value gaps in your model, mark how fair value gaps work when you're taking your entries. Patience, patience, patience. We're completely ripping up higher, guys. We are just ripping to the sky today. Absolutely crazy push. Nothing to fight for right now, chat. Absolutely nothing to fight for. Do not fight. When you fight the markets, you lose. And that's just how it is. When you fight the markets, you lose. And you don't want to lose, chat. You don't want to lose. So don't fight the markets. Wow, this thing is just ripping. Who introduced the bulls into the market? Brother, I didn't even show the bull on stream. Guys, let it rip. Let it rip without you. It's better to be disciplined. See the markets. Markets still aren't going that good, dude. They've just been so dead. Like the markets have just not been doing anything exciting in so long. Yeah. Nothing crazy. Don't see any like diamond in the rough here. Yeah, there's nothing. Bitcoin 73K. Wow, it's back up a little bit. But yeah, still there's nothing. And it's just completely ripping up to the sky, guys. We are up what, 2%, 1.75%. Chasing an entry right now is the worst thing you can do. Looking for a long is straight gambling. Like you have a better chance at just going to a casino and playing a hand of blackjack and, you know, standing on a 15 on a 10. You know, you have a better chance winning there than catching any longs, and you have a better chance flipping a coin than trying to catch shorts. You just need to wait. Short now, imagine. Meta flying? What do you mean? I didn't see meta flying. What are you talking about meta flying? It's at 1%, bro. Blue balled me, bro. Anybody that pushes into a long here is just straight gambling. Hold on. Guys, what day should I stream on Tradeify? They want to invite me to their channel to stream. Let me see. Friday is no news. We can do Friday. 9:30 p.m. 9:30 a.m. All right, I'm probably gonna stream Friday on Tradeify. I'm still blowing accounts after my first 7K payout. Why do you think that is? Emotions. It's all just emotions, my man. Don't force anything right now, guys. By the way, guys, I'm going tonight to a dinner/drink thing to go meet with what's the word? A clothing brand. So we'll see how that goes. When am I gonna get the wheel in the back? I've actually been thinking about getting it soon. Should I get it right now, chat? Every time I lose, there's a punishment wheel. I'm gonna get it. I need to get a tall one. This delivers tomorrow. $60. Here, I'll buy it now. Does it come with a marker? Yeah, it does. All right, chat, we're doing it. Oh, Bella just texted me from Apex. Patience, guys. Sale ends soon, up to 85% off. Oh, the 85% off sale ends. Uh-oh. Wait, hold on, guys. All right, it's ordered. It's coming tomorrow, so we'll probably have it for Wednesday. What should some of the punishments be for a loss? What do you think about the TGR situation? I don't give a fuck. Just unprofitable talk. Patience, guys. Look at oil starting to rip, though. Oil is low-key starting to rip here. Nice reaction there on oil. MNQ maybe getting a reversal in. Super and buy side liquidity. Not anticipating a reversal. In terms of oil, though, maybe we can catch a position on oil. Oil hasn't moved as much. We'll see. Push-ups, giveaway accounts. $100 to the homeless. Increase clipping budget by... Yeah, you got me fucked up. Ice bath. How am I gonna do that on stream? Okay, I'm thinking getting like a splitting one in half and making it very small. And if it lands on it, we respin, but I move one section and put it to buzz hair. And then we spin again. And if it lands on that, then I'll buzz my hair. So basically it has to hit a small bracket and then I wipe it and put one thing that says buzz hair and spin it. We'll see. What the fuck, Zahid? Oh yeah, he always does, Zahid. Patience, guys. Oil looks like a play here. I feel like oil is going to give us more movement than NQ. Oil looks like so much better of a market to be trading in right now. We have 5 minutes till 10 a.m. though, guys. Nah, NQ's been ripping. Dude, NQ just rips. We got to be patient, guys. There's really nothing to go crazy. By the way, you can now get early access to an extension, a Chrome web extension. If you search up prop firm gain, you can add it to your browser. And I won't even tell you what it does. You'll see. If you connect it to your account, though. If you don't connect it to your account, it'll just let you know the best discount when you log on to a website. But if you connect to your account, it'll do something cool. But it's early access. It just got published. I'm not marketing it yet. It's only for my viewers right now. Patience, guys. Nothing crazy going on. Just patience. Oil looks like it wants to reverse here. NQ just looks like it wants to rip up higher with no remorse, dude. This thing is the craziest candle. That thing is just flying. Just flying. By the way, today, I think the 85% off sale ends tonight or tomorrow on Apex. So I'll miss it out. Cobank also gets rid of the consistency rule. After a loss, you got to wear a helmet till you get another win? No, bro. Gotta attach an electromotor so it spins forever. That would be funny. I'm not trading gold in the AM session. Oil just looks like the market to be trading in right now, dude. NQ is a no man's land. You don't touch this. Bro, what do you mean Apex has not been 90% off for the past 6 months? Are you living under a rock? It's 85% off right now, and it was 90% off like a month ago. Patience, fellas. Crazy rip right now. News coming up. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. We got orange folder pending home sales. Basically does absolutely nothing, but. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why does it say I just lost a trade for $100? Did I leave a position open? What the heck? Hold on, chat. Nothing crazy going on in the markets. Once we get that displacement, then we'll look for something. I guess I left a position open or something, but it's only $100. I'm not counting that as a loss, bro. What are you talking about? We're still on our 6-day winning streak. Patience, guys. There we go. A little bit of bearish movement here. Let's see if we can break structure to the downside. You got the Chrome extension? Nice, brother. Just go search up Lucid Trading or Apex Trader Funding and just click the link. See what happens. Took the oil trade yesterday. It hit stop loss. Yours did? Mine didn't. I made money on mine. Steals your passwords, imagine. That would not get approved on the current web store. Patience, guys. Look at this beautiful reaction. We potentially get a little bit of a push move here. Below this low here. Maybe we can catch a short down to this low. Oil is really pushing. Oil is really pushing, chat. An opportunity can come. An opportunity can come. You just got to be patient. 1 minute, chat. Well, 30 seconds. Let's see if we can catch it. Yo, Ben, I have been messing with you, but for real, your mindset really opened my mind now, and I understand crazy rip on oil, the importance of being consistent in these markets, and that is the key for being a successful trader. Let's go, brother. Fine. See, even my rage raiders got nice things to say about me. Yo, oil, I might be taking it long on oil, chat, like, because NQ really not be doing nothing. Yeah, I'm probably going to take a long here on oil, chat. Just looks so much cleaner. Yeah, I'm not doing that. We got to start pushing up higher in this inefficiency, then I'll look for a long. We could easily just trade into this fair value gap, then turn down lower. And that could cause NQ to push up higher again. Super bullish on NQ, not anticipating a reversal, but on oil, on the other hand, look at that wick right there. 4 hour looks beautiful as well, but it could still sell off. Like, we got to be patient in that hourly fair value gap. I feel like we're going to catch a trade on oil today, guys, and not on NQ, but we'll see what happens. Give it some time. Patiente. We've been banging though. We've been doing great. We've been doing great recently. I've been almost on a month win streak on my Express. Got 2 payouts after trading for 6 months. Took 2 trades down 360. Is like a risk management, bro. You've been on a month winning streak, and in 2 trades you took a loss of $350. Gang, this is your P&L, and this is what you just went through. And you're trying to ask me, is that good risk management? Where is it? Hold on. That's your P&L, and that's what you just went through. And you're like, is that good risk management? Bro, you're worried about a little fish. Brother, you're fine. You're gonna be okay. 2-month winning streak, damn. That's stuff people pray about. Should take the emerging call on oil? No. Oil's probably gonna sell off once it trades into the hourly fair value gap. Could still sell off from here too as well. Gotta be careful. This is manipulation. I don't think NQ is gonna crazy reverse here. It could, and oil could rip up higher, but we have to sit on our hands. Not enough information yet. We don't want to force anything. We do not want to force anything, chat. Hold on, chat. I owe people money. I hate doing that. I hate owing credit cards, and I hate owing people money, and I can't pay off my credit card because the statement hasn't closed, and I can't pay it off early. And what was I gonna say? I'm also owe the government taxes. I owe the government a lot of money, bro. I totally forgot I have to pay $380 $1,000 in taxes. That's actually so annoying, bro. Don't take a reversal yet. Remember, in this profile, we need an intermediate time frame shift to structure. For me, I would say disrespect this inversion, trade around here, and then we can look for a short. I need like a big payout to cover for those taxes. It's literally highway robbery. You know, I could have bought a Lamborghini with those taxes. Like if I lived in Puerto Rico, I could have a Lamborghini, bro. And in 2 years, I'd buy an SVJ for just tax money. It was my birthday Monday, just turned 21. Let's go. Happy birthday. Okay, yeah, but I pay taxes so I don't have missiles flying over the skies of my house. Patience, guys. Don't take that short, please. Please do not take that. Do not take, if you guys have been trading for longer than 2 months, you should know that you should not take this. If you have gotten a payout or been trading for a specific amount of time, you know not to take that. Patience, fellas. Good decision, I walk. Patience, guys. Patience is everything that you need in the markets. The patience to find a high quality setup is exactly what you need. Damn, ICT gets the same amount of viewers as Patrick Weiland now. No, Patrick Weiland has more. Wait, I don't even think Patrick Weiland's streaming. It's just D Money, bro. ICT has less viewers than D Money. That's wild. That's wild, bro. ICT's falling off. Yo, but I've been watching your streams for the last 2 months. I can't lie. I don't think I've seen you win once. What kind of rage bait is that? Chat, look at this guy. L rage bait. You gotta do better at rage baiting than that, bro. You can't say that when we're on a 6-day winning streak. You gotta do it on a day where at least I'm losing. I'm not gonna lie, guys, bro. That guy who... Somebody who dedicates their whole career about focusing on other people. Now, I'm not saying I support those people. No, fuck those people. Those guys are scammers. But someone who dedicates their whole career and time to just going in deep research of somebody is just... I don't know, bro. Yeah, it must live a very interesting life to have to worry about other people. I'm actually so tired of this music, chat. I don't know what to do. I want to listen to better music. No entries yet, chat. Oil pushed into the hourly fair value gap. Now it's going to start to sell off. Oil looks bearish. NQ looks bullish. Bro, who be seeing what Lucid been doing, bro? First of all, bro, these Lucid accounts are sick. First of all, I love Lucid. But second of all, who's been seeing what AJ does, bro? AJ is so funny. First of all, AJ called out Turbo Trade, saying how him and ZZ are hedging. ZZ's taking long positions and Turbo's taking short positions at the same time. The founder of Lucid said that. Like, that's crazy. Turbo did not expose Lucid, bro. Lucid exposed Turbo. I watch streams every day for the last 6 months and you never read my chats, and I'm kind of starting to take it personally. Oh, I hope you do take it personally. Intraday for no payout cap, end of day for easier payouts. Might find. Ben, you not seeing this? I see you, brother. There's no entry yet, chat. Do not force anything. I'm telling you guys, do not force anything. Do not force anything. While we're waiting, guys, don't forget to check out propfirmgain.com. On top of that, you can download the early access web extension called PropFirmGain on the Chrome web store. There's going to be a benefit for having that soon, so stay tuned. Beautiful rip to the downside there, chat. Yeah, guys, I don't read every single person's chat. Like, you think I just get on stream just to read your chats? No. I trade. I try to read your chats. I'm not going to see everybody's chat. Told me at 9:25 to take shorts. Well, if I took shorts at 9:25, I would have got stopped out. Like, what are you talking about? Yo, you need to lock out and walk away from the charts. You're being way too emotional. Like, lock in, bro. You're going to blow your account if you do that. Why am I on the T-bond futures? Reversal, maybe. We need to disrespect this 15-minute fair value gap. Then we could potentially find a reversal here, chat. Don't take any shorts yet. Oh my, I'm doing good, brother. Poor sister. Thank you for asking. Nothing yet. Don't take this. Don't you dare take this, you signal botters. I'm kidding. This is pattern trading. Wait for a shift in structure. I know it broke that low, but look what we're in. 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. Don't take it. Let it move down one more time. Ow. Patience. We're in the first presented fair value gap right now. We have not broken out of that daily fair value gap range. Wait for it to push lower a little bit more. You know what's funny? I applied to be an affiliate for Goat Funding months ago, like 2-3 months ago, and they responded to my email saying, your requirement, you do not meet our requirements of becoming an affiliate. Something blah 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 blah. Something about how I'm not popular enough. And now all I get is notifications from Goat Funding responding to my tweets and liking my posts. Like, brother. Stop. That 1x after seeing you get hotter and richer, literally, bro. All right, now we can look for some shorts, chat. We could just take that inversion play right off the bat there, chat. Low key. Swing trade it. Do we swing trade this, chat? I think we swing trade. I think we take a swing trade here. Nah. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Oil's pushing up higher. Thank you, starting to push down lower. We inverted an inefficiency the 15-minute as well. Trading into the 15-minute inversion now. 1 minute fair value gap here. I'm gonna short this.
Order filled.
Can you see it? Why is it not on? MNQH. Oh, it's because I'm not on the right chart. Wait, MNQH. There you go. Relative equal loads right here, chat. That's what I want to see. We haven't traded to any inefficiency here yet. Not the greatest reaction. It should reject off this. If it breaks this high, I'm probably gonna close out early. We'll try it though. Just retesting that fair value. Got terrible reaction there, guys. terrible reaction. We have 10 seconds. The last 10 seconds should ideally push us lower here. Yeah. Not a good reaction. Terrible body. Yep. It's okay. I'd take that trade any day of the week. It's just one of those trades. No, our winning streak. Hey, the day's not over though. Remember that the day's not over. We'll take 2 trades today and that's it. Yeah, that was a quick trade. Fuck. Is it going to 5 minute? No, it's inverting the 5 minute. Wow. Okay, it bodies and inverts the 15 minute and then it pushes back up higher. Very interesting approach here. No way. Chat, if we win this trade, I'll give away 10 funded accounts. Wait. Why do I do this to myself? Why do I say that? Why do I say that? Okay.
Stop filled.
There. Why do I do that to myself? Could get a re-entry, chat, but I don't like the way it created an inversion and then it just ripped back up above it. It literally, what it did is it confirmed shorts and then invalidated it literally 2 minutes later. See how it created a 15-minute inversion fair value gap and then it just rips up higher right away. Kind of telling us that it's just going to rip up. Hold on. Oil's starting to reverse off the hourly fair value gap, so it looks like NQ wants to push up higher. I'm actually going to change to oil here because oil is creating a great opportunity for shorts. NQ, I think, is probably going to chop. I think it's too high to continue to crazy rip. It could rip up a little bit higher while oil moves, but we'll see. Oil needs to move a little bit lower before I engage in anything, though. Ben low-key happy he doesn't have to give away 10 funded accounts. Shh, don't tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him my secret. Okay, oil's in an inefficiency here. Low-key pushes back towards this low. The trade in the hourly fair value gap, we could go for something like this. Hold on. I'm gonna get a short here on oil. This will be my last trade of the day though. Beautiful 1 hour fair value gap reaction. Just needs to push a little bit lower here.
Order filled.
Oh!
Order
Wrong
filled.
market.
Order filled.
There we go. Fuck. I do that to myself way too often, chat. Hopefully there's no rule on Lucid for opening and closing positions too fast. All right, give it a little buy stops. I'm looking at oil right here, chat. Off that 1 hour fair value gap. That's what I'm betting this short on. But this will be my last trade of the day. Hopefully it doesn't end the 6-day winning streak. We'll see. NQ is too high to trade. NQ is up so much. You look at oil though, okay? Oil's just at the open, right? Opens up, trades down lower, trades into this right here. This is what I'm looking for. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go for that all the way down there. Wait, down here, I mean. Because that's like way asking for way too much. But I do think if the time was right, and we don't have to revisit this high, we can go down to this low. I'm not going to go for everything. I'm not going to go all the way down here, chat. I'm not going to aim for these lows or that low hanging fruit. Now, I do think that is the draw, but I'm just going to catch a piece of the puzzle, chat. I'm not looking for too much. Not looking for too much. Oil really shouldn't retest this high. I guess my only worry is let's grab a fib here. Right? I mean, it traded above equilibrium as well. We should be fine. Like, it traded into a premium, wicked into an order block, trade into a 1 hour fair value gap, and now it should be trading lower. Give it a little bit of room for a failure swing. The reason why I'm putting my stop loss at the high here and not anywhere else is for 2 reasons. You look at the 1 minute, we have a volume imbalance. We can have a failure swing. A lot of reasons, but today's a little bit lower probability, so. But if you guys haven't noticed already, also, I'm going to be upping risk like a little bit crazier on my Lucid accounts. Because I'm in a winning streak, usually after 5 days, and I'm on a 6-day winning streak, I usually up risk just a little bit. Also, I kind of want to speed up the process of these Lucid accounts. I think I went into these Lucid accounts with too little of risk. I forgot that the consistency rule is only 50. I do want to see it start pushing down lower soon, though. We have a 5 minute. I want to see this 5 minute candle. Am I on the 5 minute chart? Yeah, I want to see the 5 minute candle open and rip lower. I love the consolidation in the 1 hour fair value gap, though. How do you stay calm after a loss? It's because I don't care. Like, when you get emotional over a loss, it's because you care. You should know that losses don't mean anything. Here, we'll flex it to this here. See how we wick above a premium? That should be a protected high. Oil should give us some volatility to the downside here, chat. You look at that 1 hour, like, that looks very clean. I'd be surprised if it pushes up again, and if it does, it's probably going to push up again and then rip down lower. So W discipline. It's discipline, but it's also just like, I don't care. I know that losses don't mean anything. So you just sit and let the trade do its thing. Let the trade do its thing, guys. And look, it's like it's starting to push up higher, which is a good reaction for us because oil wants to rip lower. It's just in a 5 minute consolidation. We should get that speed to the downside soon. Oh. Ooh. Wow, the market has just died out temporarily. Oh no. Chat, there's a Jehovah Witness church near my house. And like, not near it, but like 15 minutes away. And I made the mistake by giving them my phone number once out of just like, you know. And every time I get a text of a link to their site, 5 minutes later, they knock on the door. They don't stop coming back, bro. They don't stop coming back. Like, they knock on my door every single week. There's a nice push to the downside there. I want to see it stick, though. Okay, I can add a little bit more positions here.
Order filled.
Added more positions on oil. Drag my stop loss to that high. That high's a protected high now. Let's see it rip. Let's see if it wants to rip. You should be picking up speed now to the downside. It shouldn't revisit this. We have 30 seconds till a new 15-minute candle as well. We should be really ripping here. This 15-minute candle should close at least down here at 94.50. 94.50. That would be ideal. Getting a low resistance liquidity run in the last 10 seconds of this candle would be beautiful. But if the 15-minute candle opens above this low here, it could be a bad sign. See, like that's not a good reaction. We want to see it close bearish here. Not that good of a body close there. Not good of a 15-minute body open as well. This 15 minutes should really start melting. We don't want to see it dilly-dally around this area. We want to see it just start pushing lower, chat. Halfway through this 1 hour that traded into the inefficiency, we should really start pushing lower. This little hang around spot is not good. We need to form an imbalance here very soon. Like in this candle, we need to break below this low and body past it. Not a bad reaction. Yo! Ride with the $5. I always show the opposite of Ben and it's easy dubs every time. Well, you should be on a 6-day losing streak then. I don't understand why always fights against the higher time frame. Who? Me? How is this fighting against the higher time frame? Are you sped? You special education, bro? How is this fighting against the higher time frame? Not a good reaction there. Again, we want to see that hourly just drive oil to sell side. We don't want to see it hang around this area for too long. We did body below that low, so we should be pushing lower. We should be fine to sell side here. No, I have not tried the Drake meal, bro. I'm not eating a meal that has another man's name on it. Like, pause. The Drake meal. Again, not the greatest reaction, but we have an inefficiency there that it could react off of, so. Like, imagine going around saying and ordering, can I get the Benjamin SMC meal? Like, bro, lock in. We're grown men. We should react off of this, guys. We should really push lower, not hang around this area. I don't like this auto block. But we're bearish, guys. We're bearish. Like, at least trading to this 5-minute fair value gap, you know? I don't see us ripping up right now. I'd be pretty surprised. Like, this is a very clean inefficiency after breaking structure, after forming a higher time frame swing high into a 1 hour fair value gap. The market must not like smart money concepts if this trade does not work. I see the only reason why it would rip higher is if it's turtle souping that low, but it bodied past it, so bodied past it twice. Trades almost to consequent encroachment and rejects off of it. Should pick up speed to the downside here. We have 1 minute until a new 5-minute candle. NQ starting to push back up higher here, which is nice. It's still in its consolidation, which kind of explains this. But if NQ starts pushing up higher, or start pushing down lower. Any Forex calendar news with the oil? Nope. Tomorrow is FOMC, so we're not going to go crazy. Economic projections. That's interesting. A lot of news tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Also, fellas, don't forget that Apex is 85% off, and if you use code Ben, it gets rid of the consistency rule, and you can pass in 1 day. Look at that push. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice reaction. Beautiful reaction to the downside there. I do want to see body below that low. If it pushes down and inverts this fair value gap, or at least trades into it, we can drag our stop loss to that high. Only if it bodies in it though. So we can't drag our stop loss to that high prematurely, but beautiful reaction, bro. Banger. Oh yeah. Oh. Riley with the $5. Thank you, brother. Let's go. Guess what that also does, chat? Break even. Seven-day heater. And we'll see. We're up 4.5K right now. We're up 5K. 5K on the trade right now. Come on, baby. Don't you dare reverse off that 5-minute fair value gap. If you reverse off that 5-minute fair value gap and hit us break even, I'm gonna slap you across the face, oil. Come on, oil money. Yo, Arabs in chat, can you guys like call Imar, whatever his name is, Imar, and tell him to like increase the oil supply a little bit so it gets a little cheaper for us? Come on, come on, compound. Oil's not getting cheaper anytime soon. I mean, it has from its high at 120, 119. It's gotten pretty cheap. Patience, fellas. Patience. We really should not be doing this right now. We should be ripping lower. Look at NQ. Bad reaction on NQ. Bad reaction on NQ. Don't like that 5-minute fair value gap it's reacting. It should draw to that low there. The hourly chart looks so bearish, so Just give it time. Trading to this inefficiency. Should react off consequent crush and push down lower. Another $5. I read your chat. What are you talking about? Thank you for another $5, Ryan. Riley. Ryan. Look at that reaction right there, chat. Look at that reaction right there. Come on. Come to Papito. Look at that. That just deserves a high five. If this rips below this low, oh, we're cooking, chat. Okay, 1 minute for a new 5-minute candle. You know how it goes. Let's body down here, please. Don't body up here. Push lower. Do not body up there, please. Oh, you do it. Nice. Keep pushing lower. Okay, not a bad body reaction there. Not a bad body reaction. This 5-minute needs to rip lower, though. This 5-minute needs to rip lower. I love the consolidation and that inefficiency. We should really sell off on this 5-minute candle. I hate how it just rips and then just chops again. Like, just why can't we just get a low resistance liquidity run straight to TP? Look at NQ dumping. I don't like that. I don't like these candles, bro. These candles are scaring me a little bit. We need to get expansion out of this range like immediately, bro. Somebody make a phone call. Someone call Donnie, bro. Somebody call Donnie. This isn't good. If we get a bullish expansion here, we're cooked. Not gonna cap with y'all. Like, the breakout needs to be to the downside off this consolidation. Another $5, bro. This guy's paying my rent. Why not move the stop 2 ticks above the order block, 1 tick above consequent crush for short term? It's above the mitigation block, brother. I always move my stop losses to mitigation blocks. Someone probably got their payout. Guys, be patient, guys. Patience pays. There's our breakout. We need to body blow it, though. Come on. I haven't had a double size in winning trade in a while. Like, I doubled down in here, man. I haven't had one of these things hit full TP in a long time. Here we go. We're up 5K, 5.3K right now. We're up 5.5K. We're up 6K. We're up 7K. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Stop loss is just above the VWAP. Oh no, that's not the VWAP, that's the EMA. Stop loss above the mitigation block. Wow.
We are up 6K right now, chat. Wow. What a trade, bro. 7K. We're up 7K right now. If you guys don't notice, I'm not partialing. I'm dragging my stop loss and profit as my partials. Wow, we are up 7.5K right now, chat. 7.7K. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, bots with the $5. But I'm having a baby with your sister. Okay. Look at that beautiful reaction. Let's go. We're up we're floating $7,000 in profit right now, bro. And we're not touching the trade. It's called discipline. Look at this reaction right here, dude. What a beautiful trade. Thank you, oil. Oil money is where it's at. Ho. Give all the oil to me. I'm the oil person. Oil is where it's at. Look at that. Okay, bro, my chat just be giving away money saying the most random things. Beautiful reaction there. We are up $8,000, $9,000 on the trade, chat. We are up $9,000 and I'm out.
Order filled.
TP. I closed right down there. I don't care. TP. Ah! 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 We are so good, bro. 7 days in a row. Like, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Come on. Yep. Yep. Oh, Ben, you're so handsome. Ben, you're so good. You've made me so much money. I love you so much, Ben. Yep. That's what I want to hear. Come on. Wow. How much did we make on that trade, guys? How much did we make on that trade? $1,765. We made $8,800 on that trade. $8,800 on that trade. But Ben, you lost your touch. I think you're lost. I think you're washed. Oh, you're on a losing streak. Ben's not good anymore. Fuck you. Ben, if I come to your state, can we get a flick? I don't live in a state, but sure. Fellas, we're going to wrap up the AM session. We might be live for PM depending on how price action is. Stay tuned in the Discord. But don't forget to check out propfirmgain.com, guys. It's prop firm Tinder, completely for free matchmaking and comparing your trading style with a firm. Fellas, do not miss out on that. Thank you all for the donations. You guys are going crazy. God bless you all. We'll finish in prayer, but we're doing so crazy. That's a 7-day winning streak. Let's run it up, baby. Let's go. We're here to play ball. Ben's always fighting the higher time frames. Yeah, I wonder where that guy is now. Other than that, fellas, thank you guys so much. Look at that close, by the way, too. Wow. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Finish in prayer, and then we'll be maybe live later in the PM. I do have a very busy day today, so we'll see. Don't forget about the 85% off sale on Apex Trader Funding, 50% off sale on Lucid, 40 or 30% off sale on Tradeify. And please go check out Platform Gaming and download the Google Chrome web extension browser. Other than that, let's finish in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. But glory and praise be to your name. Please remind us to be humble, Lord, and remind us that it's all part of your plan. Please make sure that we stay grounded and that we follow you. In Lord Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Love you, Lord. Amen. Not gonna lie, I F with you, but you lost me $300 on the first trade. Okay. Poe, chill with the donations. I'm gonna turn on text-to-speech donations soon, guys, so stay tuned. Other than that, fellas, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. God bless. Great trading. Thank you for the donations, Riley, Bossman, and Deshante. God bless. Take care.